Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we'll be talking about one of my most favorite appointment softwares, which is 10 to 8. It's really nice, and we will go through pros and cons. I'll tell you more about this product, also what it's worth, so you know how much money you have to prepare. So 10 to 8 is a simple appointment scheduling software that helps businesses to manage virtual appointments in a hassle-free manner. It can track user attendance, report no-shows, send SMS, email and telephonic reminders to clients, and generate data on staff performance. 10 to 8 can easily integrate with other tools like Google Calendar, iCall, Exchange, Office 365 and Outlook, making it easy for users to track appointments remotely. 10 to 8 comes with adequately security protocols, and it's fully compliant with all GDPR, HIPAA, and CCPA regulations. Users can build a personal appointment page, including their branding and logos, with the help of available inbuilt customizations. 10 to 8 can also easily integrate with Zoom video conferencing and Salesforce, enabling multiple videos to connect options. 10 to 8 allows users to build smart reminders for appointments based on the type of work at hand, and also track if users open them or not. 10 to 8 is designed to suit all kinds of appointments, be it sales, prospects with clients, or HR interviews. The tool is perfect for clutter-free schedule management. And once we're here, we want to check how we get into the 10 to 8. Since it's made for all type of businesses, even for freelancers. So we want to go and sign up. And we want to enter every information that we have to address. So get started ready today. Enter your name. Let's go with Mark King. Work email. Let's go with the one for tutorials. Marking's business is okay. Industry. As you can see, there are tons of options to basically fit in. Let's go with coaching, booking type. Let's go with online lessons and tutorials. Team size, it's just me. Phone number, as you can see, let's go with, one moment. Let's go and change it for a bit. So, and the password, obviously I don't have to show you. After that, you just hit sign up, and boom, we are in. It's maybe too close. Take the bookings online. As you can see, they are straight away helping us with setting our account. Take bookings from your website. Your 10 to 8 online booking page is ready to take bookings from your clients straight away. Try making a booking with your online booking page, which is this one, or check your inbox to see new appointments. Then customize your 10 to 8 page. Change your working hours. Working hours, it's standardly set from 9 to 5 p.m. And also go with business address, but this needs to go with a plan, and we'll get that in a minute. And see your slots in booking page. This can be really busy right from the start to set everything right. It will take time, guys. I want to say straight away, if you are a small business and you just want some very easy appointments, maybe few appointments a month, maybe you should go something like VisiBook. VisiBook is great. for that manner. If you don't have a lot of appointments, I believe like up until 25, it's completely free. But if you want to take it on another level, 10 to 8 is great with their features that VisiBook doesn't have. VisiBook is just, if you're not very good with computer, the VisiBook is the way for you. But if you want to dig in a little bit deeper into those type of softwares, 10 to 8 is just a better one. On the left side, as you can see, you have these 3 stripes. We have Discover 10 to 8, which is our dashboard or workspace. Then we have calendar. You can set it for yourself, or you can add more people that we can add in a minute. So you can see their schedules and their calendars as well. We have then clients. As you can see, we have example. You can very easily import the clients or invite your clients to book with you. We just go with add a client, enter name. Let's go with Francis Gray. We can go with a tag, added just now, last active just now, time zone, that match, email, phone, and then also the address. If we are done basically filling all the informations, we click on book, and straight away you can even book with this client where you started. Like you just created a new client, and straight away you can start booking with him. Very easy. Or if you want to delete it, go all the way down and click on delete client. It can't be really easier by that point. I don't even have to save it, it's automatically saving. We can go with add email, and it's automatically adding all the informations about your clients. You can change it, add a new email, new phone number, inbox and export. You can basically all your data that you are running with, you can upload into this, even send a message through the 10 to 8. Then online bookings, most of them are paid or included a paid subscription, but some of them are basically easily accessible to tweak around your 10 to 8 account. Then messaging, you can send emails. At the moment, SMS is part of a premium feature. Obviously, we are running completely free right now. You see, you have free up until 100 appointments, extra email settings, extra SMS settings, email campaigns. You can also integrate it, and this is the greatest thing about 10 to 8, the integrations. You can really integrate it with almost everything. So email campaigns, satisfaction service, then obviously setups for your business, and then billings. And here we are at our basically pricing tags. You see, for it's free for obviously $0 a month, for staff, 2 staff logins, 100 appointments a month, number of premises unlimited, and you don't have any rooms. Then basic is the same stuff plus minus, plus professional branding, also SMS plus email, and also bulk emails and stuff SMS messages. And it's for almost $10 a month. then Grow, Bigger Business, and Enterprise, where they will tailor you the option for you. You can easily go with a free, which is a great way to find out if you feel comfortable with 10 to 8, but I believe you will. It's very easy once you basically scroll through it. We are using it daily with the Grow paid option, because you really need rooms if you are a bigger team. And that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any kind of questions about 10 to 8, please leave them underneath the videos. And yeah, leave a like and subscribe if you feel like, and see you at another video. Have a great day.